Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. My name is Benedicta, but you can call me Benny for short. I am a mom and a YouTuber. Yay! What kind of goat is that? Please forgive me, there is a goat making some noise at the background. I think it's from the next house, so please pardon me if you hear any goats screaming or whatever. I don't know what they are doing to the goats. So okay, let's move on. I am a mom, like I said, so today I'm going to do something different on my channel. I'm going to cook for my daughter, so I decided to put this out on my YouTube video because I want to do mom's vlogs and mom stuff too on my channel. So today, this is it. Jesus Christ. So my hand just hit the plastic chair. Okay, so today this is it. I am going to prepare food for my daughter, so I decided to vlog today or video it today. Other moms out there, yep. I am going to try my best to... Sorry, my daughter is asleep, so I just had to check. She is coming out. Okay, so I'm going to try my best to video this process because I am alone at home. I don't have 4 hands, so I don't have extra hands. So I will try my best to be videoing and cooking at the same time. You feel me? Yeah. So that is what I'm going to do today. This video is kind courtesy of Startright. Shout out to all Startright moms and Startright as well. I'm also a Startright mom, so shout out to me. Yeah, so shout out to all Startright and Startright moms and all moms who are striving to get a good balanced diet for their kids. Please watch this video. Yeah, so don't just leave this family. If you are new on my channel, welcome to Benny Hour. Yeah, welcome to the family. Please don't go just like that. Subscribe by clicking the red button and which says subscribe, and then click on the bell. There's a bell beside the subscribe button, and click on the bell to get notified whenever I upload a video, so you wouldn't be wondering when I'm uploading my next video. So that is what the bell is all about. Yeah, so click on it and join the Benny Hour family. And so I think I'm talking too much, but I'm going to try. Like I said, I'm going to try my best to video this. It's not going to be easy because I'm alone. I'll be holding the phone and be cooking. I don't think it will be that easy, but I'll try my best for you guys. Yes, I love you, so I'll do that just for you. Yep, so let's get right into the video.
You know me, who gang? You're chilling with the most gang.
Okay. Guys, I'm in my kitchen. Yep, so I am about to begin this meal. It's called flaked in sweet potato. Like I said, it's kind courtesy of Startright Nutrition something. I have to go back and check. Yeah, so they are the ones who are helping moms out here in Ghana and outside, or I'll say worldwide, yeah, to get the right balanced diet for their kids. Yeah, so without talking too much, I think I'm talking. I'm really trying to talk in my videos because I realized that in my videos, my other videos, I don't really talk, I don't really explain much. So I'm just trying my best to explain whatever I'm going to do and whatever I'm going to do. So yeah, so let's get right into it. like I said, it's called flaked in sweet potato. So I will show you my ingredients and then I start from there. So these are my sweet potatoes, my tomatoes, my coconut oil, my spring onions, my Startright Chubby legume mix from 7 months plus. These are my garlic. These are my turmeric powder. This is my cinnamon powder as well. My onion. So guys, I just sometimes leave my ingredients there, then I know which ones I'm going to use. So right now I am going to cut them into the sizes I want and get back to you guys. So the name of this food again is called flaked in sweet potato. So before you start cooking your daughter or your child's food, you have to wash your hands very well. Aside that, there is this coronavirus which has been detected in Nigeria, so you wash your hands very well under flowing water. Yep. Wash your hand. You wash your hands very well before you start preparing your child's food. There you go. Yeah, so this is what I have now. My sweet potato cut into cubes, my onion, my garlic over there, my tomatoes, my spring onion, and this is my pepper. I have already blended and put in the deep freezer, but I'm going to take a little, just a little, and put it in my daughter's food. Yeah, so that's why this is here. I'm not going to put this whole stuff in the food. No. I am going to put just a little. So it's here. Yeah, so this is the setup. This is this saucepan. I'm going to cook my daughter's food in it. Please, this is the only saucepan I use whenever I am going to cook for her. Please make sure you have one saucepan or one utensil or one anything just for your daughter and separate it from yours. Yeah, so this is the saucepan I always use when I'm going to cook for her. And I have a blender for her as well. And we have a blender for ourselves, but she has a blender for herself. So I blend everything in her blender and not our blender. So that is it. So without wasting much time, I'm going to start the process. I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of coconut oil and then fry my sweet potato. So let's start. So this is the 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Yeah, so I've heated it up a little and I'm putting in my sweet potato. Yeah, I'll fry it for the edges to be brown, then I take them out. But this utensil is for her main meal. We have another one for her breakfast, so we don't use this for her main meal. We use a different saucepan for her breakfast, and this is for her main meal. Yeah, so I will fry this where the edges to turn brown. Yeah, so can you see that the edges are starting to turn brown? Yeah, please keep stirring so it doesn't burn. You see it? So I'm going to take them out. Yeah, so in here I'm having my tomato, onion, spring onion, and garlic, my turmeric and nutmeg, and a little pepper. So I'll keep stirring till my tomatoes are very soft. So yeah, so after frying the sweet potato, use that same oil. If you think it's a little, you just add small to it and then you fry your vegetables. Yeah. Okay, it's not hot, so anyway. So I just added my sweet potato, fried sweet potato. Yeah, so that is it. Please, one thing I left out was fish powder. This is the ingredient, so I'll be adding fish powder here. Yeah. At this point, I added a little water, put it on low heat, and I covered it so that everything will simmer, cook very well, and be soft, especially the sweet potato. Yeah, so that is what is going on here. So you let the water drain just a little, and I'll get back to the food. Please stir from time to time so that it doesn't get burnt. Yeah. So be stirring from time to time. Why I like this saucepan is that it doesn't stick, the food doesn't stick under, so that's why I use this saucepan. The other ones there are very light. Yeah, then I cover it again. So this is how thick you want it to be. You see it's getting mushy, all mushy. Let me put it on the fire because I was videoing. I took it out the fire. Yeah, so yeah, so this is how you want it to look like, all mushy, and the water has drained out a little. Yeah, so I am going to add my 2 eggs to it. I'm going to crack them and just put it in straight away. So my 2 eggs are in now, so I'll cover it and allow them to cook through. Normally, yeah, so this is how it looks. Normally you use only the egg yolk, but my daughter is almost 2 years, so I can add the white yolk to it. So I will just mix it like I am preparing egg stew. That's what I'm going to do. Normally with the yolk you just leave it on top for it to cook on top of it, but I am doing it in a different way so I can get the eggs to cook well. Yeah, so let me put the phone down and stir because it's very difficult doing both at the same time. Yeah, so guys, this is it. I think I am done with my flaked in sweet potato. I will want to clean around my saucepan and get back to you guys. I am done. So with this, you can mash for your daughter or your son. You can blend it depending on the age of your child. You can also serve directly. This is actually what I have in my sink. So as I was cooking, I was washing, so these are the only thing left for me. So this is time management. That is the only thing left for me to wash in the sink, and I'm done. You see how easy it is. So as you are cooking and you are making as you are cooking and you want your stuff to cook very well, you start washing your dishes in the sink. So when you finish, you won't worry yourself going over all these dishes, washing them up and down. No, I will not come and kill myself. So I'm going to wash these dishes and get back to you. And so I am done. This is what we cook her breakfast in during mornings. And one thing, I always turn down my cylinder, my gas cylinder. I don't really take risks. Some people leave it on, but I turn it off. I turn it down immediately I finish cooking. Yeah, so that is it. What? She come. So I just finished cooking and she just woke up. My daughter just woke up. It's almost 12 o'clock. It's 11:35. You see, so if you're my friend and you have a program in the morning and I can't come, that means it's my daughter. She's now even getting up. Thank God I was able to finish cooking before she woke up. So I am glad I did that. And here used to be quiet, but I guess today they are having an engagement or something, so it's a bit noisy. So if you hear any music or any sound, that means that is the engagement they are having. Sorry, I was distracted. So that's the engagement they have. Shishi, come. I'm here. Yeah, so okay, I'm coming. So that is what they are doing currently. So I am done. Thank you for watching. If you like movies like this, comment in the comment section. Let me know you do love videos like this, and I will do more. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I will get back to you in my next video. Bye.